In this video we are going to discuss lists and types. Now what are lists? Basically we will create bullet points or we will create numbered lists. So in order to understand how they work, so I'm going to click on ordered lists and then I'll go here, so it should open a MDN docs. So it says that you have to wrap it around OL and then write with li tags. Okay, so we'll try that. So what can we type? So first of all we'll create a div and we'll give it a class list and ID will be ordered, and then we are going to explicitly state that this is a h2 my ordered list, and then we are going to say something, or actually we'll say what are what do rabbits have. Alright, so now we'll create an ordered list within OL tags, and then within li we'll say carrots, we'll say cuteness, we'll say swag, and we'll say fluff. Right, so this should create an ordered list. Now I will also create an unordered list. So as far as I know, this is also with something called a UL tag list. ID equals, we'll give it unordered, right, and h2 will say what other animals do I like. So we'll give it UL li. I think tigers are cool. I think peacocks are beautiful. I think cats are also nice. So I'm going to save this and then I'm going to refresh this. So as you can see, we now have a list of like an ordered list, and we have tigers, peacocks and cats in bullet points. Alright, so what else is there? We have covered ordered lists, so our mark it as done. We have covered unordered lists, I'll mark it as done. So there's something called a definition list, and I'm not sure what this does. So it's a description list element, represents a description list element, encloses a list of group of terms using dt element and descriptions using dd element. So let's say we have a div class equals descriptive list. Actually this is still a list, so I'll give it a class list. ID equals descriptive list, and we'll give it an h2 tag. What are awesome animals characters, right? And then let's say I will call it a DL, and within DL I'll define a term DT. They should have something called style, and I'll describe it as cool animals often have style. BD, cool animals often have a lot of character. Yeah, and then I will give it another term dt, Did I enclose it properly? Yeah, it looks like that. uh, so let's say now I have another DT, color. Cool animals have vibrant, diverse colors, right? And this is the end of the DL. I'll save it. Let's go to our website, and sure enough, we have style, and under that we have this. So yeah, we have kind of understood descriptive lists as well, and so I'll mark it as done. But as you can see, it's not a very complicated stuff. It's just you need to go to MDN docs and kind of understand what each element does. If you go to DL, it's clearly telling you what the syntax is and how to write it, and you just have to follow that. Nested lists. I'll go to nested lists. But I'm guessing it means like with UL I just have to add another UL. Oh yeah, that's what it is. So if I go to if I create an unordered list, and inside the list item I create another unordered list, and I hit here, this is supposed to create a nested one. Let's say, let's actually we will change this description list into a nested list. Alright, so instead of DL we'll make it a OL, and let's say what are awesome animals characters, and actually I will also bold it. So within the list item I will put a B tag, and I'll call it style, and then I will have a UL, and I will take these descriptions so let's say I put li tag here, and I put li tag here. I'm just trying to keep the indentation correct so that I know what is under what, otherwise I'll get confused between the opening and closing tags. So this UL ends here, and we'll put another UL, no actually no, we'll remove this, sorry. So this is another list item of the ordered list, and within that we'll start a UL, and within that we will take this DD and we'll put it here inside this UL, and I'll put another list. So what we are saying, actually this is OL, so we are saying that within this descriptive list, sorry, within this first ordered list, there is a list item that has a bold mark style, and under style there are two unordered list items. Cool animals often have style, cool animals often have a lot of character. Then we have a color, I'll also bold this, and within that there is one ordered list item called cool animals have vibrant diverse colors. So let's go and refresh this. So yeah, now we have a ordered list under which there is a unordered list, right? So I think we are set with understanding how do nested lists also work. So we have covered a lot actually, I think, and the next video will be about the table tag. I'm assuming this is on how to create tables, so that will be an exciting video. But yeah, we have covered a lot of textual tags. We have covered how to group texts, how to give them attributes like ID and class. We have covered lists and types. I think by the end of HTML course, I will do a list of things that we have covered, and we'll have a sense of satisfaction on what we have achieved so far. So yeah, we are 41% done, considering the fact that I've not ticked out a lot of these items. But yeah, but like we are good to go.